Welcome to the Kemp IT Law vlog. I'm Nareen Ajmal, and this vlog looks at forthcoming changes to IR35 tax legislation that will affect many businesses that hire contractors, particularly in the IT sector. From April 2020, businesses that rely on contractors will face significant challenges because of changes to tax law. The intermediaries legislation brought into force in April 2000, known as IR35, was designed to curb avoidance from the use of personal service companies, or PSCs, by contractors who would otherwise have been deemed employees of the companies they are engaged by. Under the current rules, the liability for determining whether the IR35 rules apply sits with the PSC, and it is the PSC that is potentially liable for the income tax and NI contributions that need to be paid to the HMRC. From April 2020, the tables will be turned, and it will be the business or agency engaging and paying the PSC that will be responsible for making this assessment. This has been the case in the public sector since April 2017, but it will now apply in the private sector as well. If the rules are found to apply in a particular case, the business or agency paying the PSC will need to deduct income tax and employee NICs and pay employer NICs to the HMRC. The use of PSCs has been popular because of potential tax savings to individual contractors and the protection of limited liability when operating through limited companies. It has also benefited end clients as it allows for a flexible workforce where they may not need permanently employed staff. There are significant HR costs that come with employing people, such as NIC contributions, sick pay and holiday pay. With the rules changing, it will be very important for businesses engaging PSCs to have adequate processes in place to determine the employment status of contractors. This is not going to be easy, as there is no definitive legal test on determining employee status, and the courts have traditionally tackled this by looking at individual circumstances of a case and a number of factors. The HMRC has developed some guidance and a tool on determining employee status known as the Check the Employment Status for Tax. It is developing this further and improving it in anticipation of the new laws. Businesses should be preparing now for the changes by reviewing their current arrangements with PSCs and agencies, looking at their payroll systems and HR policies, and ensuring full and adequate processes are in place. If you'd like to find out more about IT contracts, check out our vlogs, blogs and white papers at kempitlaw.com.